So Google has recently announced the Googlebook, a class of laptops made by third-party manufacturers running on Chrome OS. That's not to be confused with the Chromebook, a class of laptops by Google manufactured by third parties and running Chrome OS. Wait a second, I've confused myself. Okay, so what on earth is the point of this when the Chromebook already exists? Well, I think you know the answer by now. AI. Yes, the Googlebook is supposed to be an AI-centric device with Gemini at the core of everything. And yes, that is pretty much all just marketing talk lifted straight from the presentation, and I have no idea what any of that is supposed to mean either. However, the Googlebook will not be a direct replacement for the Chromebook. The two will coexist. So then what exactly is the main difference apart from just AI marketing buzzwords? Well, the price for one. The Googlebook is supposed to be more premium with higher end specs while still running Chrome OS, which will either be a good thing or a bad thing depending on your personal tastes. However, the Googlebook will have much better support for native apps from your phone, so that's something, I guess. Either way, as you can expect, people aren't too excited for this thing, and while many other companies are really questioning if this whole AI PC thing is even increasing sales or not, Google seems to just be completely blind to all of it and going all in, even when the PC space looks the way it does right now. So I want to hear your thoughts on this thing down in the comments below. Are you excited for the Googlebook? Do you think it should even exist? Or are you just sticking to the Chromebook or literally whatever else from other manufacturers? Or let me know down in the comments below. And while I added, maybe also check out our Patreon because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Padosh Vulcan, on a pseudonym, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, and Mason Magruder. But anyway, that's all it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.